Hi guys, and today we're gonna be showing you how to get a Roblox item for free. So wait a second. Okay. So first of all, open Roblox. First of all, open Roblox. So okay, Roblox is opened. So now go to catalog, open a new tab, go back. Now open here core blocks. If you want get any item you want, I just want core blocks, this speaker. So let's go home again, Roblox, and let's go to catalog. Go here to view all items. Click here and then click free stuff. You don't need to be anything. So click here, accessories here. Now here that it's there. Now right click on this, inspect. Okay. So here all of this, copy this. So this you can just click Control C, it's copied. Now all you need to do is close this. Oh, by the way, I have 0 Robux. I have 0. So all you gotta do now is go back here and right click here, inspect. Now all of this, let's see over here, edit as HTML. Now inspect all of this, erase, now paste. I think we just copied right now. Now see over here. Now here we go, here the code. Get the code first. First of all, get the code of the thing first. Okay. Get the code. Here's the code. Okay. Control C. Now this thing we're gonna just erase this and paste down the code, both. So this one. Okay, erase this. Control V. Okay, done. Here accessory. You can just erase this and write package. Okay, accessory. Package accessory. Now here we need. Now here black font seal. Now erase this and write the thing here. All you need to do is write the thing you just want. Core blocks death speaker. Core blocks the speaker. So done. All you need to do now is close this. Now see this thing here. Now here, okay. Right click, inspect. Now this here, right here. Now erase this and write down free. Enter. Now close this. Right click at the logo of the Roblox, inspect. And now what we need to do is inspect. Okay. click on the icon of the Roblox here, and the icon Roblox. Delete this and done. Enter. Now we've done. Now the item is free. Yay! Guess what? Now you can just buy it. Done. Get. Look. No. Here. Here. Would you like to receive the package accessory cover the speaker for free? Of course. But guys, you can try again later, or yeah, you get it. This. You got the item for free. Done. Nothing more. That's it. It's just like this. So do everything I say, and now see y'all next. Now hey, see y'all next time. Goodbye.